All right, here are your homework solutions. Can you add, subtract, and multiply? So when we're adding, we just look for, first of all, the term with the biggest exponent, and is there a match, and then bring them together. So 8 take away 2. The next one is 8x squared. There's no other ones that match it, and then plus 7. Again, you should do it first and then check to make sure you did it correct. So the one with the biggest exponent, that's it. There's nothing that matches it. The next one is 3x squared and 8. That's 11. The next one is 7x and 3x. Adding again, that's 10. So 7x squared and 4x squared, 7 plus 4. This one's a little trickier. 4 and minus 7, that's negative 3 when you bring them together. And then plus 8. When you subtract, I want you to do this in 2 steps. So subtract 5x cubed and subtract the 3. Then we do it. So the one with the biggest exponent, negative 1 and negative 5 is negative 6. And then 7, take away 3, and you got it. Again, when we're subtracting, 2 steps. So I copy the first one, that subtract sign. A subtract and a subtract make it plus. The one with the biggest exponent, then negative 5 and 4, that's negative 1. You can just write it that way. And then 7, subtract 2, that's 5. Again, try it first. When you're adding, you can do it in 1 step. 1 plus 7, I got it. Negative x, there's nothing else. And then 5 plus 1, and it's over. Can we multiply? So 7 times 2, again, you should press pause and try it. And then 7 times negative 8. 2 times 7, x times x is x squared. 2 times negative 3 with an x. These are going to require to draw a box so that we can FOIL. One would be 3x plus 6, the other is 2x minus 1, and then you multiply it. So you can see how I'm multiplying it and then combine like terms, and then it's your turn. So it's 6x squared, 12, take away 3, and then minus 6. It's your turn to try. Draw a box, 3x minus 8, 8x plus 4. Press pause and try it. See if it matches what I'm doing. That's 24x minus 64x, 12x, and minus 32. So together, that's 24x squared. Negative 64 and 12, like subtracting, but it's negative, so it's negative 52x and then minus 32. Same thing again. We have 5x minus 4 and 8x minus 8. Again, we're going to multiply this and then combine it. So we have 40x squared. A negative, negative, you add them, so that's negative 72 and then plus 32. Again, we're going to multiply. And then combine like terms. This one, we have a binomial and a trinomial, so our box needs to be reshaped. I'm going to have 2 rows and 3 columns, so the binomial will be on the side, the trinomial will be on top, and then again you multiply for each square. So 2 times 6, that's cubed. 2 times negative 3 squared. 2 times 6, 12x. Negative 48x squared. Positive 24x. Negative 48. And then we just combine it together. So 12x cubed, negative, negative, that's negative 54. Positive, positive, that's 36. And then minus 48. So press pause and try it. Again, it's a binomial and a trinomial. So I have x plus 5 on the side and 2x squared minus x plus 2. And then I multiply it out. And then combine like terms. See if your answer matches my answer. 2 left. This is a 3 by 3. So you got to make it large enough so you can have 3 rows and 3 columns. Doesn't matter, but one of them has to be on one side and the other one on the other side, and then we multiply it out. Just one at a time. Add the exponents for x. So just one at a time. It's positive 7x squared, positive 49x, negative 24x squared, positive 6x, and 42. Okay. Then we're going to combine it together. So we have 2x to the fourth minus 31. Oh, this one's the longer one. So negative 24 and negative 21, that's negative 45, and 7, that's what, negative 38. And then 42. All right, last one. Again, I'm going to make it large enough so I can have 3 rows and 3 columns. And we have 4x squared, 7x, and 1, 7x squared, negative 3x, and negative 1. This is 28, x to the fourth, 49, x cubed, 7x squared, minus 12x cubed, minus 21x squared, again, a negative 3x, negative 4x squared, negative 7x, and negative 1. So this will end up being 28x to the fourth. 49, take away 12, that's 37 x cubed. This one's the longer one. That's negative 25 plus 7. That's negative 10, and then negative 1. Hey, Mr. G Math over and out. I am proud of you for doing your work. Till next time.